partly sunny 79, winds gusting to 20. Youngstown, partly sunny 81, winds gusting to 22. Cleveland, partly sunny 80. Cincinnati, partly sunny 79. Toledo, heavy rain and fog 68. And Columbus, partly sunny 82, winds gusting to 21. The Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania climate summary for yesterday, May 25th, 2021. Yesterday's high temperature of 87 degrees occurred at 2:38 p.m. The record high is 95 degrees, which was set in 1875.
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? My version 16 did not get it. Oh. Okay, that made my mistake there.
During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these storms to warn of impending hazard.
Okay.
Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, KIH35, serves the following counties.
I had it on WXM33, but
Greene,
yeah.
Indiana, Lawrence, Washington, and Westmoreland. And in northern West Virginia, Brooke, Hancock, Marshall, and Ohio. And finally, in east central Ohio, Columbiana County. The National Weather Service now returns to our regular broadcast.